What are D1 and D2 standards of ballast water management? The D1 and D2 standards are part of the Ballast Water Management Convention, which is an international treaty adopted by the International Maritime Organization to control and management of ballast water to prevent the spread of harmful aquatic organisms and pathogens. D1 standard. The D1 standard of the BWMC relates to ballast water exchange. Any exchange procedures must be carried out, possible, at least 200 nautical miles from the nearest land, and in water at least 200 meters in depth. Where that is not possible, the procedures must be at least 50 nautical miles from the nearest land, and water at least 200 meters in depth. Methods of ballast water exchange: empty, refill, or flow through. Empty refiller. In empty or refill exchange, the ballasted tank is emptied by pumps until the pumps lose suction, and then refilled via gravitation and pumping of ocean water. 100% of the ballast water must be emptied from the tank before refilling to complete an empty or refill exchange. Flow through. In the flow-through method of exchange, mid-ocean water is pumped into a full tank. A volume of water 3 times the ballast tank capacity, 300%, must be pumped out to complete a flow-through exchange. D2 standard. The D2 standard of the BWMC sets the requirements for ballast water treatment systems to ensure that they effectively treat ballast water to remove or kill organisms and pathogens. Deadlines for compliance with the D2 standard depend on the ship's construction date. For new ships constructed on or after September 8, 2017, are required to comply with the D2 standard at the time of delivery. For existing ships are required to comply with the D2 standard at the time of their first IOPP renewal survey that occurs after September 8, 2019.